Tuesday and I uploaded a video yesterday. If you missed out that video, click here. And also I made a video on Friday. If you missed that, click here. Anyways, so on to today's video. So you don't think it's time to like change the beep song? The beep song meaning this song. Because it's been years. We know that that song is associated with a curse word, blocking it, censorship. I understand all of that. But I don't think it's time to change it, because you know how much times this song got me in trouble and it had nothing at all to do with cursing, but the audio alone, from a parent's point of view, the audio alone is just, oh my god, she's listening to curse words. Let's try it here. I'm going to talk and I'm going to censor off some of my words, and it would look like if I'm saying a lot of curse words, just like if I say or I say but more because is more now. This is the uncensored version, the exact same thing I said without the beeps. Just like if I say vacuum or I say elephant, but more vacuum, because vacuuming is more vacuuming. Vacuum, vacuum, vacuum. Vacuum, vacuum, vacuum. You see? It automatically seems bad. Now let's try it with a different song. Why we don't hear moose? Why don't we hear bah? You know? I understand it was so weird. But let's find another song, okay? But I really think it's time to change this song, because it's also used for when, you know, the colorful screen thing, the screen when it's like no service kind of screen in them old time days, kind of picture that people like put up. I put in some of my videos sometimes, kind of screen. Yeah, that just happened. Yeah, that screen. That uses beeps too. If any adult was to just hear videos going off and all they hear is, ain't that gonna make it sound like if it's just explicit you're listening to? Really? I think it's time to change the song. If it is, you'll agree with me and you'll understand where I'm coming from. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you have not done it. And again, I'm gaining some subscribers, so hi new people, hi guys. Thank you for pressing that button. And yeah, so if it is you agree with me, comment and like and share, because this is a serious thing I wanted to talk about for the longest while. I didn't know how to put it across, but because I have this week of videos, I said, you know what, let's just talk my mind. Let this channel just be about me. I don't have to follow anybody. I don't have to try to be cool. I don't have to try to do all this cool stuff that these well-known YouTubers are doing, because I am well known. I am Trinidad. I just do this because I like to. So yeah, that beep song needs to change. Alright? I will see you tomorrow.